Hey friends, if you encounter the error too many concurrent requests on ChatGPT, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So ChatGPT can only handle a limited number of requests, and if you try to over do that, then it will give you this error. So I'll tell you what to do. Break the request, like write a 500 words article on Trump is evil. Okay. So to write a 500-word article, do not do anything, do not make the prompt very long and do not do anything while it's working on that. And then you can give a second prompt in the next case. Okay, you can try first option. Okay, and then try to give prompts in bits. Don't give all of them at once, because if you do that, then you'll get this error because ChatGPT won't be able to understand it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.